In this video, we'll go over the H column, ha, hi, fu, he, ho. The first character we'll learn is ha. 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 Which of these characters is ha? Ha. Ohashi. Ohashi. Hana. Hana. Hane. Hane. The next character we'll learn is hi. 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 Which of these characters is hi? Hi. Hitsuji. Hitsuji. Hikidashi. Hikidashi. Hiza. Hiza. The next character we'll learn is fu. 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 Which of these characters is fu? Fu. Saifu. Saifu. Tofu. Tofu. Fugu. Fugu. The next character we'll learn is he. 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 Which of these characters is he? He. Heso. Heso. Heishi. Heishi. Heijitsu. Heijitsu. The final character we'll learn in this video is ho. 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 Which of these characters is ho? Ho. Hoshi. Hoshi. Hoki. Hoki.保育士。保育士。 Before we end this video, I want to mention that there are exceptions to the way we pronounce the characters ha and he. The character ha is pronounced wa, and the character he is pronounced e when they're used as particles. Particles are characters that help connect words together in a sentence, similar to conjunctions and prepositions in English. Ha is also pronounced wa in the phrases konnichiwa and konbanwa. We learned the characters ha, hi, hu, he, ho. In the next lesson, we'll go over the Rakuten variation ba, ri, bu, be, wo. See you in the next video.